my name is Soila. Today I will be doing a lemon volcano experiment. Just a disclaimer, do this experiment under an adult supervision. My mom's in the back. Okay, so first you're going to start off by cutting your lemon. Don't cut it too much like in the middle, cut it more at the top. And then after, you're going to want to grab like a bowl or something. And you're going to grab a knife or something and poke holes in the lemon so then some lemon juice comes out, because then the baking soda won't have a reaction to the lemon. Poke it too much, but poke it enough that it will have like a lot of juice. Then after the juice, you're going to want to grab some baking soda and grab about, I'd say a teaspoon of baking soda. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pour the baking soda on. After you put the baking soda on the lemon, you're going to want to grab some lemon juice and pour it on top. And then it will start like sizzling and the baking soda will start reacting and come out. Is the baking soda, when you add water to baking soda, it will sizzle a little bit. But with the lemon juice, it reacts really strongly because it's like fighting with each other and like there's little bubbles that are escaping. Okay, so now we're going to try to do the same thing again, but with the same lemon and the same lemon juice. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the lemon again. Now we're going to grab baking soda again. Oh, forgot a step. Going to puncture the lemon to get some lemon juice. You're going to grab the baking soda. Then we're going to grab the same lime juice and throw it on top. What I noted was that the bubbles were as big as the other reaction, and this reaction was very smaller and wasn't that big of what happened on the other side, well, at first. So it's probably because the baking soda and the lemon juice already were reacted together, so when I poured it on top, and juice and the baking soda, they were like already mixed together, so then the baking soda, lemon juice wouldn't have a big reaction with the lemon and the baking soda we have already had. So since it was already mixed together, we wouldn't have had a big reaction with just the lemon juice without baking soda. So we're going to try one more thing. If we squeeze more lemon juice into a bowl and we add baking soda, I wonder if it will react. So right now I'm going to pour some baking soda into a bowl so then I can scoop it out. And I'm going to grab a teaspoon. And a little of a teaspoon, like half of a teaspoon. And you can stir it a little bit to see if it reacts. Then it starts to bubble. And I wonder if we add more baking soda if it will react. Well, you can only do it for a little bit, I guess, because I used 1 lemon. I hope you guys have fun doing the experiment because I really did. Be careful when you're doing the experiment. Try not to poke yourself with a knife. And try not to get lemon juice in your eyes because that will really hurt. Also, stay tuned for more experiments and more videos. Until next time, bye.